Hello, welcome to 900 Baker Street. Today we're going to be touring a beautiful one-bedroom apartment located on the border of Nopa and Anza Vista. Okay, so let's enter the building here. You have off-street parking included with the rent. Mailboxes are behind the secured gate to the right. And before we head on up to the unit number A, I'm going to show you the laundry area, storage, and backyard. Okay, trash and recycling is located to the left. And right around the corner here, the first door to the left is the laundry room and storage. This is an amazing space. However, you have coin-operated laundry machines here shared with the building. You have an area to the right on a shelf that would be dedicated to this unit. Okay, so here is the rear yard. There are multiple tiers and stairs that take you down where it's easy walking distance to Trader Joe's, Target, the hospital, etc. It's located in a really convenient location in between Nopa and Anza Vista. Many wonderful shops, restaurants, conveniences. Laurel Village is not far as well. Okay, so Unit A is located to the right. You have your intercom system right as you walk in, and we're going to start this tour off towards the front of the building. This is the bedroom. While it is on the front, it is very quiet. Here is a nice big closet. Walk-in closet. This goes all the way back. Beautiful wood floors throughout. This is a generous sized bedroom. Next is the full bathroom. You have a tub and shower combination, medicine cabinet, good sized shower head. It's a very, very clean unit. There's a front door to the left, and I'm going to show you all this closet space. Huge closet here. Here is a second closet with built-in shelves and baskets. And finally, another huge walk-in closet. Okay, kitchen. This is an eat-in kitchen. It's been recently updated. You have a gas range, dishwasher, and stainless refrigerator. Plenty of room here for another cabinet as needed. And finally, the big, beautiful living room. You have spectacular views of the city. Take a look at this. On a sunny day, this view is magnificent. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.